Hey, this is Sania and welcome back to my channel. So excited to have you here. Really quick, before we dive into this video, which you are going to love, I'm sure, I want to make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I got some new videos coming out very soon, and turn on the bell so that you can get notified every time and you don't miss any of them. We are talking about finding the best product, ranking them, how to increase sales and all that stuff. So if you want to know how to start your Amazon FBA business and scale it, then make sure you are subscribed to my channel and notified every time I release my video. Okay, with that said, I am gonna dive into today's video, which you are gonna love for sure. For those of you who love the idea of building an online business and get financial freedom, the idea of selling off Amazon is too good to be true. The best way to earn money on Amazon is through Amazon FBA, but you can't jump right in because you realize that there are some upfront costs and you can't afford to start Amazon right now. So today, I want to present to you two of my favorite ideas in which you can still sell on Amazon, but at a very little cost. It will require far less upfront costs so that it's much more affordable for the majority of people. So this is kind of a game plan and it should be a good one. So without further delay, guys, let's dive in. When I started online, I left my corporate job and had some of my savings. I remember that every time I choose to do some work online, I sneak back into my account and do calculation about how much money is left and if I invest in this business, how much I will lose. I waste a lot of my money on the businesses that seem to work but did not work for me, like freelancing, SEO, etc., all that stuff. And in the end, I tried the Amazon model and it worked for me bang on because it's a scaling business which allows you to get financial freedom very fast. I also wasted a lot of money as I was starting out and didn't know what to do. And there was no one to guide me, guys. So my mission for my student is to provide so much information and knowledge possible so that they don't do the same mistakes I did when I first started out. I mentor my students in the first year of their journey, as I believe the first year of a new Amazon seller is very important and they need constant guidance in that. If you want to join my program, then do check out the first link in the description down below to check if you are eligible for that or not, as I cannot take everyone in my exclusive program. So guys, Amazon, as you know, is a large pool and there are tons of great ways to make money online on Amazon with less investment. I sorted some of the best ones which you can start your online income very fast, and also you can save money to invest on Amazon FBA model like later on. The first one I'm going to talk about is publishing your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon allows you to publish your own books on Amazon. It takes less than 5 minutes to publish your book and it will be available on Kindle stores across the globe in 24 to 48 hours. You can make up up to $40,000 per month. Amazon lets you set your own prices for self-published books. You will earn up to 70% of royalties on Kindle, like Kindle sales. I have heard that some authors make as much as $40,000 per month. And these writers, however, tend to be prolific and write topical to gain notice. Once you write the material, you don't have to write it again, nor you don't have to worry about the inventory. So it's a good one, right? If you're thinking but I'm not an author or I have no experience, what should I do? No problem in that, guys. I'm here. You can search the topic like you do for product searching, and you can find a topic which has high competition and low demand, the same like that we do for physical products. You can hire a ghostwriter on Upwork or Fiverr who got good reviews and ask them to write for you. And once it's done for you, you can design your listing and publish on Amazon. One of my students, like Steve Gill, he did research and found that traveling and backpacking is a great niche. He hired someone on Upwork to write about this ultralight backpacking and then publish it. After publishing, he started making as much as $350 a month without any promotion. He said the sales eventually slowed, but they can continue as long as the book is there, like is exist over there. He started selling 6 months, and till now he made over $2,000 from just that single ebook. So you can kind of imagine what kind of like investment and what kind of profit you can get from that. Next best way to earn money on Amazon, if you cannot afford to start Amazon right now, is through an Amazon affiliate program. It is an Amazon associate program. With this program, you can earn money by directing visitors who want to purchase Amazon products. The best part of affiliate program is that they are passive income. If you already have a niche, blog or whatever that is visited by thousands of people, then it takes no more work, and just like you have to insert the links or two in that and get the affiliate income coming. When you join this program, Amazon gives you affiliate links that you can post. Amazon Associate enables you to earn money based on purchases made through these affiliate links. So this is kind of the game plan. Amazon tracks purchases through their links and gives you a percentage of the sale. The more people who click on the link and make a purchase, the more money you will make. This passive income can lead to thousands of dollars a month for those who run successful blogs. Examples of commission by product category are like for luxury, beauty, and Amazon like coins, it's 10%. For furniture, home improvement, it's like 8% like that. And then for lawn and garden products, it's like pets products, it's like 8%. And outdoors is 6%. Digital music, grocery, handmade, digital videos is 5%. So you can have an idea like which category you want to go in. Basically, you make money with Amazon affiliate by adding Amazon special affiliate links to Amazon products you have written about or viewed, or when a reader clicks your link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. So this way is like how you earn money. Here's an example. You use a fancy new kitchen gadget and want to write a product review. Use an affiliate link in your review. When someone clicks to buy that awesome gadget, you will pocket up by 10% of your purchase price. So how's that? Keep in mind that commissions are generally really low, which is why you need a significant amount of traffic to your site. The more page views you have, the more chances are that the links will get the clicks. No traffic means no chance that anyone will see those links to be clicked on. Amazon offers a progressive earning structure on the majority of merchandise, and the more clicks and purchases you get from your website, the more you can make. So the money is in the traffic. You can always start a blog, Instagram page, YouTube, or even podcast to sell your affiliate products. Put the content daily. So if you are like doing a YouTube video, upload a video every day, or if you are doing a podcast, do it every day. You need to do it for about 6 months to 1 year consistently in order for you to succeed. Follow this path and you will be successful within this time. Believe me guys, I have seen people. One of my students, after completing my training, said that she wants to save some money in order to start an Amazon FBA model. She asked me like what she can best do in order to save and learn also. I showed her that affiliate model that she can do, but she just a little bit. She created her Instagram product affiliate page and listed her products. Then on the back end, I created the funnels in order to maximize her sale. Within months, she started earning like $100 to $1,000 per month from that single Instagram page and funnel that I created for her. She also started to gather emails which were used for upselling and increasing her revenue by 70%. Is that awesome, guys? With even one product she can do like that. Imagine if you start earning that extra $1,000 per month, what can you cover in that? Your car installment, your house loan, and there's so many things you can do, right? Just think about it. So there are many opportunities that you can master to take advantage of Amazon, even if you can't afford to start Amazon FBA right away. I have 5 years of experience selling on Amazon and testing all these sorts of processes and models that you can learn and take advantage from. No one can do it on their own, as you have to go through so much trial and error to learn, which can further waste your time, energy, and money. So I highly recommend that you invest in yourself and get guidance and mentorship so that you can start making money as soon as possible. It shortens your learning curve, even if you think it's a simple thing, but it still requires you to properly do the keyword research, keywords, evaluate which profitable niches to get into. It's the same thing with FBA. A lot of times people will say, oh, I love this product. I want to sell this on Amazon. I always ask them, did you do the research to see what the market likes? It's not about what you love. It's about what they want to buy. So it's important to go into your research on Amazon to see what people are already buying on Amazon. You really need to get to the data to see the thing that is something that the customer wants. It's not about you. It's about the customer. By the way, I'm launching my coaching program and I've got a huge discount sale on that, as I want to make affordable for everyone to buy. It is only available for a limited time and to get started and get in a game. I still think that you should do FBA, and maybe these all other methods could be another way to supplement your income, but keep your main focus on FBA as it is the best model to start and grow your business. Now is the best time to start, as many new online sales are industries are emerging, especially with books. As things get better, Amazon will be bigger and stronger than ever, because guys, that Amazon's the only one who is sustainable in this time. Also with a lot of inventory and stock. So they are going to be bigger after this time. So just think how much potential and power it got. I have all my product invested on Amazon, and I bet it will keep on growing more and more in coming years. You could be discouraged by what's going on right now, as I know a lot of people lost their jobs and now they are struggling financially as well. But this is the time to invest in yourself and learn a skill to earn money online. I built my businesses out of desperation and survival, as I was struggling financially and emotionally, and I had no other option, just no other plan B, which people got, but most of your cases also doesn't have. So if I was right in your position, I would use this as an opportunity, maybe this book publishing, affiliate associate, FBA, or maybe something else. But now is the time that we learned that a job does not give us security, as most people think. Your job can go away and like this, and it's not in your control. Look at me. No one in the world can take away the skills that I cultivated, and the one thing that has given me a lot of confidence, like this thing, and as an entrepreneur, is that I developed so much valuable skills that give me so much confidence that I can make money anywhere, anyhow, any process. I could get into any online business opportunity, any new niche, any new product, and succeed in that, which gives me financial confidence, certainty, and freedom with whatever I want to pursue in my life. So I think it is really worthwhile to continue learning, growing, and taking action, most importantly, because a lot of people unfortunately watch videos on YouTube and they don't do anything. You need to learn and invest in yourself. Instead of regretting 2, 3, or 4 more years, you have to do it now. There's a cool saying that there are 2 pains in life. There's a pain of discipline and there's a pain of regret. Discipline weighs ounces, regret weighs tons. So that's why take action right now, whether it's watching a video or buying a course, whatever it is, just do it. I really think your life can change for the better. I really hope that, guys. So guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell right now. I'm going to put all the links that I discussed in the description down below, so you go and check them out. And don't forget to watch my next video here.